Ah! Moyen, that's in the mic. So today, Éislek Pad Boulaide. Wow, look at those views. Incredible. It's gonna be fun because I haven't been over here all that many times. The Éislek Pad is a new system of quality trails. You can tell the Éislek Pad because they have these really cool trailhead signs. We are gonna start by going over McQuaide. Oh, look at this. Squeezing into this rock. Oh, cool. One of the distinguishing characteristics of this trail is the Sour River. Yeah, this trail has some steep climbs on it because it keeps coming down to the river and then going back up, giving us these great views. And then coming down for the water views. And then up. So, should have your climbing legs on today. It says it's a field howitzer, remnants of World War II. And then look at this place. This is quite nice. Shea View, hopefuls. Have you hiked any of the Éislek Pieds? So if Boulaide is your favorite, nod your head. Yeah, I think you're nodding. So, thank you for joining me. That was pretty darn cool, like they all are. Till next time, Eddie Chow, tip top.